love. My mommy brought this from the dollar store. I'm going to use white, blue, red. The colors like on the American flag. Kind of. Take a watch this. I'm using the American colors because, like the one I was wearing on my shirt, to show each other love. So love is be kind to each other. I accidentally messed up this.
Okay, just keep going.
I have to paint the other side. It's yellow. Here's a little. Oh, relax. There's a little spot. Do the same thing what I said. So you can use yellow. Looks perfect. Okay. It's much more. Oh, Max.
Three.
You can get some what called again?
The sign?
You can get the sign. It's like a decoration. You can hang it on the TV stand.
But where are they getting the sign from?
The Dollar Tree. So this is one fun activities you can do indoors. I hope you like my video. Bye.